The Auto Eco feature on Lasco heaters helps maintain comfort in your room while using less energy. If you have a heater with this feature and are having trouble setting the thermostat, we have a few tips to help. Pressing the plus and minus or up and down arrow buttons on your heater or its remote while it's running will turn on the Auto Eco function. Once Auto Eco is activated, you can set the thermostat. Simply press plus or minus to your desired temperature. The display will now show the Auto Eco symbol and the temperature will flash. Your heater will now maintain your room's perfect warmth level. Some important things to note are when the room temperature is less than the set temperature, the heater will run on high. When the thermostat reaches the set temperature, the heater will switch to low to save energy. Once the room's temperature reaches 4 degrees above the set temperature, your heater will turn off. The unit will continue to run for 15 seconds after heating your room. Deactivate the Auto Eco function by turning off your heater or pressing the Auto Eco button. Change the display to Celsius by pressing the plus and minus buttons at the same time. Auto Eco works best in an enclosed room approximately 300 square feet in size.